For today's tutorial, let me show you how you can fix YouTube no sound on PC. It's App Mentor once again, so let's begin. Go to your Windows search box below and search for Control Panel. Click that one. On the upper right corner over here, change this one to large icons. You can now see the sound option. Simply click on that. After that, you can see these options over here. These are the plugged devices for audio on my device. Let's right-click this first one. On the options, click Disable and right-click again to enable. After that, let's right-click once again, and now we will select Properties below. Then go to the Levels tab on the top and make sure that the volume is at 100. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!